Saxena is here. Swabhimani Samaj Sainik Manch was directed to be an organization carved out by General V.K. Singh for the purposes of getting the upliftment of the human being to the state of the soldier, as the soldier are performing the duties on the in the defense forces just to save the country from the external aggression. There is a requirement of saving the country from the internal insurgency by some of the individuals. As such, the Swabhimani Samaj Sainik Manch has been organized by General V.K. Singh, who was himself being subjected to the atrocities committed by the Union of India regarding his date of birth, which is admittedly in 1951, but the government, in order to have the vested interest, just to have some contact being given to the next chief of the army staff, who is related with Prime Minister, has retired him 1 year before. So the statutory appeal was filed when the Supreme Court proceedings were initiated. Then initially the bench comprising of Justice Lodha and Gokhale has initially asked the government to take the initiative for imparting a judgment on their own. But subsequently, when the decision has been given in the hand of the armed person, then they have decided the same attitude, what they were taking previously. In this background, when I found that whether these atrocities which is being committed from time to time by the government of India, whether the sovereign concept is still here in this nation. So in my room where I'm having the study of the different books which you are showing, which are being shown here by in our present relay of the situation. I will certainly say that this is a system which is antithesis to the progress, and the people has to carve out some sort of the remarkable thing. In this line of action, I will say that how our nationalist factor and the Vedic traditions have been subsided by an abusing language by saying that the Hinduism is a communal, while the Islam is secular. The person like sitting there, MLA Akharuddin, there in Hyderabad, has spoken and abused to our goddess openly by saying that we 15% of the population can get the killing of 85% of the Hindus within no time. If the people in the dress may be removed from the scene row. So meaning thereby, if you will give the control upon the army, then we can do whatever we like that of Mopla Kand, like that of the Hindu killing there in partition. There, after carving out the two countries, there in Bangladesh in 1971, before the war, in Albania, there were so many Hindus who were killed. In army personals were being deputed just to fight the army army of the British with that of the Britishers against the German soldier. So all such politically motivated things are there. We see the instances that how they have carved out the things when Gandhi replaced the Swaraj movement and inducted this Shaukat Ali and Liaquat Ali, just a Khilafat movement. Thereafter, the replacement of Subhash Chandra Bose and Vallabhbhai Patel could not be inducted despite being supported by 16 representatives. And thereafter, the other patriotic people like that, those who wanted to get the change, like Lal Bahadur Shastri, they were subjected to get eliminated from the active politics. The Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan concept has been diluted by Indira Gandhi, and Indra is India and India is Indra. This type of the slogan has been spoken by those who are the congressmen. Then the emergency was implemented, supersession of the 3 judges, and thereafter you see that the controller and accountant general power has been taken, and they have become the master of the public exchequer. And in this process, the HR Khanna has also been superseded due to the decision there in ADM Ambedkar case. So in this process, how the things can be done? So that is a very remarkable question which has to be replied by me, by this Samaj Sainik bunch. Actually, those who wanted to serve the country by giving the basic ability to the citizen at large, they may be enrolled here as the member, and they have to act like that of a soldier. Every person is a Sainik here in this nation. And if they will perform the duty like that of a Sainik, having the aggressions over the atrocities committed upon the masses, then only we can say, because now to sing the Bande Mataram there in Parliament, one Waqt, who was there, member of Parliament from BSP, has denounced the recital of Bande Mataram itself. So, meaning thereby these Muslims who are living here, they are praising to Pakistan, where they are eating the dead animals like that of vulture. They have destroyed every sort of the amenity. The nature has been destroyed. They have made it completely a desert, a devastation to the extent of getting so many things. The terrorist activities are there. Nobody can have the education. The girls are not being afraid of going to the schools, and the procession, marriage processions are not being allowed. Are you willing to convert our nation to the desert like that of Sahara, like that of the primitive things, like the Malik jo log the? They have migrated here just to ruin of, they have provided the crusade of the army just to destruct the things. Monuments has been captured, everything has been taken away. They are taking the partisan on the theostical aspect, and thereafter they are again trying to get the submerging of the entire setup. This is very dangerous situation. If Narendra Modi will not come to the power, then ultimately what will happen? This Sitaram Kesari was thrown away from the seat of the Congress party. Narasimha Roy, who charge-seated Sonia Gandhi, having the alleged apprehension regarding that the contact with Litte, from where the antiques were stolen and they were sold to Italy. And this who has become the instrumental in assassination of Rajiv Gandhi itself. This lady is trying to get everything being taken, and everyone is in coordination with this foreign lady, who is Italian by Section 9 and Section 48 of the Italian Citizenship Act. But the Election Commission of India is silent upon this aspect, that she is inherently disqualified. I filed the petition that by Ravikant Khare, saying that she is inherently disqualified to contest the election. But Justice Bhalla and Justice B.B. Agarwal bench has said that it is not feasible or desirable to decide this. Despite I have enrolled 3 books of the written by M.A. Muthai, the reminiscences of Nehru age, and Nehru dynasty, written by astrologer K.N. Singh, and Person, Patience and Politics. The author is Muhammad Yunus, who was the father of Sanjay Gandhi. But the entire country has been duped by these people, saying that Gandhi is ruling upon us, and the villagers are having the trust upon them because they are orthodox superstition and some sort of the innocence is there in the mind of that. Then you say that Indians are